Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a digital business card in minutes. Whether you're a freelancer in sales or managing a whole team, having a digital business card makes sharing your info really easy. No more lost paper cards or awkward follow-ups. Let's walk through the process together and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. First, head over to our website and sign up. You can find the link in the description. The first thing you'll want to do is fill out your details. You just type in your name, job title, and other relevant information. It's quick and easy, and you can decide exactly what details you want to share. Next, you'll want to personalize your card a bit. Adding a profile picture makes a huge difference. It adds a personal touch and makes you more memorable. If you're part of a company, uploading your logo keeps everything on brand and professional. A simple, clear headshot and a clean logo go a long way in making a great impression. Now that your basic info is in, it's time to make your card stand out. You can choose a background image that reflects your style or company vibe, adjust the colors to match your brand, and even include links to your website, portfolio, or social media. If you want to take it a step further, you can embed a short video introduction. This is perfect for anyone using the Pro plan because it adds that extra personal touch that really makes you memorable. Once everything looks good, hit save and take a second to preview your card. This is your chance to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. If you need to tweak anything, it's no problem. You can go back and make changes anytime. Your card isn't set in stone, so you've got full control. Now that your card is ready, it's time to start sharing it. You have a few easy ways to get it out there. You can generate a QR code for someone to scan, share your card through email, text it directly to anyone, or add it to your Apple Wallet and Google Wallet. The person receiving your card doesn't need to download anything. They can open your card right away on their phone or computer, making the whole process pretty easy and intuitive. If you're using an iPhone, here's a little bonus tip. You can add your card as a widget or use live activities to keep your QR code right on your home screen. That way, your card is always just a tap away, perfect for quick connections when you're out and about. One last thing to keep in mind, your digital card is always up to date. If your details or job title change, just log in, make the update, and from that point on, anyone who scans your card will get your latest info. And that's it. You've just created your digital business card in a matter of minutes. No waiting for paper cards to be printed, no shipping delays, and no worries about running out. You're ready to network, share your info, and make connections effortlessly. If you haven't switched to digital business cards yet, now is the time. Head over to the website, create your card, and start sharing your information the easy way. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on networking and business tools. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll make sure to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.